Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you all. We'll be diving into the world of white label clothing, a game changer for fashion entrepreneurs like yourself. So, grab your coffee and get ready to take notes because we're about to unleash the power of white label clothing.
But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our fashion-forward content. We're here to inspire and empower you on your entrepreneurial journey. All right, let's get started. What exactly is white label clothing? Think of it as a blank canvas, ready for you to transform into your own unique brand. It's pre-designed, unbranded clothing that you can purchase from a manufacturer and add your own branding elements like labels, tags, and packaging. It's like putting your own signature on a masterpiece. So, why should you consider white label clothing? Well, let me share some amazing benefits with you. First up, speed to market. With white label clothing, you can fast-track your brand's entry into the market. No more spending months on designing and manufacturing from scratch. You can launch your collection in no time and capitalize on the latest trends. Second, cost-effectiveness. Creating your own clothing line from scratch can be expensive. But with white label clothing, you skip the upfront costs of design and production. You can allocate your resources to branding, marketing, and growing your business. Next, flexibility and customization. White label clothing doesn't mean you're stuck with generic designs. You can add your unique touch by selecting colors, fabrics, and even making minor alterations to the existing designs. It's like creating a tailored experience for your customers. Fourth, quality assurance. When you partner with reputable white label clothing manufacturers, you can ensure high-quality garments for your customers. These manufacturers have the expertise and advanced technology to deliver products that meet your brand standards. And finally, brand building and recognition. White label clothing allows you to focus on building your brand identity. By adding your own branding elements, you create a consistent and recognizable brand that customers can connect with. It's like creating your fashion empire, one garment at a time. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how you can succeed with white label clothing. Step 1. Define your brand identity. Understand your target audience, brand values, and aesthetic. This will guide your selection of white label garments and customization options. Step 2. Research white label clothing manufacturers. Look for reputable manufacturers that align with your brand values and offer high-quality products and reliable customer service. Step 3. Select your product range. Browse through different manufacturers and choose the garments that fit your brand. Consider factors like style, quality, and price. Step 4. Customize your collection. Add your unique branding elements, select custom colors or fabrics, and make any necessary design tweaks. It's time to make your mark. Step 5. Develop a killer marketing strategy. Leverage social media, influencer collaborations, and other channels to promote your brand and drive sales. Let the world know about your amazing white label collection. And lastly, Step 6. Launch and iterate. Pay attention to customer feedback. Analyze sales data and continuously refine your products and marketing efforts. Success is all about adapting and evolving. And there you have it, the power of white label clothing and the steps to succeed. So, go out there and unleash your creativity, build your brand, and conquer the fashion industry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fashion entrepreneurs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fashionable and stay inspired.
Don't miss out on the opportunity. Visit satinify.com now and let's turn your fashion dreams into reality. Remember, every great brand starts with the right manufacturing partner.